Sean, I'm going to turn this off camera because I don't want it to be recording while I chew you out.
Stay. 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 There you go.
Pro.
Okay, good girl. Go.
That was technical, Slade.
It was a little slick.
Yeah. Oh, brother. Work, Sean Tony. That's the way trauma works, Sean Tony.
What trauma?
Watching the dude almost break his damn neck.
But that was him.
Yeah, it's called trauma, Gimp. Sean, you need to look up the word empathy, guy. A guy like me feels a heck of a lot more than things like you do, guy. That's just the way life is. I don't want any more of that shite. None. Like, the confidence has just gone out of me, guys. I hate this. Slade, you're killing me right now. It's tricky. I just like all this in the dry, and I don't like it. I like it pre-Enrico. I was stoked for this trail, and now I'm not stoked. Yes, and I could have, but I mean, I'm feeling the wetness, Slade. You know what I mean? That's your COVID.
No, you're COVID. Your kid's got the COVID.
No.
Now you keep joking with Slade about this. I'm gonna ask Slade, did you have COVID? Nope. Okay. I got 2 shots. I'm immune. We're not making poor judgments like that. When we say know your limits, stay within it.
Yeah. It's BC Lotto.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't let that throw you off. So he did something that he shouldn't have done.
He's a doo-doo.
But I do feel bad because what a great ride!
This is awesome.
This is so awesome! Go Knob Gobbler, go! Are we good? Did you know that Knob Gobbler was named by Jason after his daughter?
Oh, really? It's wet, Slade. Yeah, you rolled that like a pro. Huh? Oh yeah. I showed him how to do it. Were you kidding me?
That's awesome. See, the thing about it is once you've done it once, there's no need to prove it in dangerous conditions.
Oh, okay. Sean, is this freaking recording right now? Thank you.
Yeah.
That's good wisdom.
Yeah. Whereas last time it just...
Oh, I sent it. Like, Sean, this is send city for me, bro.
Yeah.
Like, we're hardcore. Why do you think I wanted to do this again? Because it's so fun. Yeah. Like, extremely serious.
I remember watching Ryan Gurr come down that.
Slades.
And he just walked it like a cat kind of deal. Like, he did it so gracefully. And I'm like, it's only his, like, second ride on that bike.
So when are we turning on lights again?
You brought lights?
Whatever, Sean Tony. It is so grown here. That rain does amazing things.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a hardcore. It's crazy that Sal does this stuff.
I've never done that.
Yeah, Sal does.
Yeah.
Wayne's done it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't done that one yet.
I don't complain about it. Hey, look at that. Johnny. What? Hilarious.
What's that?
They made a go around.
For what?
This feature.
Just now?
You know, you can't see it.
That was...
It's the log that I'm not a big fan of, Sean Tony.
Get lights on a little bit later. Oh yeah, this is fine.
Bit fast. Bit fast. Hey? Nope. What in the world? Oh, sure.
Okay, the flies are coming.
Yeah, you go, brother.
Run.
I think so. Just double check that that back one's recording. I think so. Just double check that that back one's recording.
It's got a red light flashing.
Flashy flash. How about
It's got a red light flashing.
flashy flash? How about the top? Flashy must be flashing.
Flashy, yeah.
Okay, so Slades, where are we at here, guy? We're good. Yes.
The Arizona sun is hotter
It
here.
looks more serious today,
say.
Slades. It just looks more serious today.
No mercy for your eyes, not even for a day. She cover up her tracks, a pretty dusty gray.
Yeah, you rolled that like a pro. I also rolled it
She
like a
sends
pro.
a message clear.
I did go right.
She sent me on my way.
I know, you did well there. You did well there.
I'm following after
Yes.
it.
And I could have, but I mean,
Following after some.
I'm feeling the wetness. You know what I mean?
Pry me open. Pry me open, baby. Pry me open. Crying ocean. In my mind she turns, she calls me to her feet. Sky sets on her eyes, she melts me with her heat.
Wow, that's dark, Slade.
My garden never grows, babe, my rainbow doesn't show.
Oh, stink. Yeah. Yeah.
The desert calls me back, she won't let me go. Chasing after it, chasing after someone new.
Bro.
Pry me open, pry me open, baby. Pry me open, crying ocean. She tied me up inside, just like the desert floor. She burned my skin and then she beckoned me
gonna try to
for
hop.
more. Pry me open. Pry
That was technical, Slade.
me, baby.
A little slick.
Yeah. Oh, brother. Yeah. Brother. Yeah. Brother. Yeah. Brother. Yeah. Yeah. that red going, Slade? How's the angle of that camera, Slade? Is it catching you? It's wet, Slade. I'm not going to do that sketchy step down that we did last time, Slade.
No?
No. I can't do it. But I will do the go around because I'm hardcore. It's just so wet. That's all I'm saying. Sean, it is. The roots are all slick. And I got no prads, so hush. Oh, that's a slick one, Slade.
I came back from the ledge. My heart still beat. I wasn't gone. I was not asleep.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No, you're
I
kicking
ran
me
along your
Just kidding.
Suck it.
matter of fact.
Yeah, so don't wait. Like,
I
I'm
asked
already ahead.
myself
We've been talking about
why.
10 minutes.
Why not act?
I'm not going to do that sketchy step down that we did last time, Slade.
No?
No. I can't do it. But I will do the go around because I'm hardcore.
As a child I cried
It's just so
for
wet.
absent help. I made it seem
The roots are all slick.
like I felt. Cut more and less. Let old and red, I put it back against the dead.
Oh yeah.
Carried a lot now, alone on the sun.
That's your coding.
My shadow grew from underneath.
Sean,
Cast
I'm
my
going to turn this
hand
off
out
camera because I don't want it to be recording while I chew you out. I don't want any more of that shite.
The darkest shadow
None.
now
No more sketchy
is
riding.
never seen.
You encouraged him. You should have said no. Real nice.
Surrounded myself
Is it,
by
eh?
room full of stars. I saw a shape made from afar, left a mark on the darkest time. I put it back against on the right time.
I'm not doing it. Maybe I'll do it.
Never had someone
Slade, I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready.
to call me back. No friend
You do it.
awake.
I can't do it.
Wake me up. Grasping for the finish line.
The only way I know, Sean.
Hide from your star. I take a taste now.
Yep.
Heaven knows, a man apart. My leg still waits, still calls my name. Runs me down now, runs me the same.
You good?
Time has left us behind to find a different design. Speak or hold your peace. Give it time. Walk through your town like a dirty old clown, smiling. Walk past your door, fingers up. We're alive.
Like the confidence is just gone out of me, guys.
We're going.
I hate this.
Tell them it's all over now.
Slade, you're killing me right now.
Back to
You're killing me
where
right now,
we
guys.
belong. Back to what we are. Walk past the day too late.
I'm not taking that sketching. I'll tell you that right now.
Rewind. Lose track of this hour, babe. Move along.
I think there was. I need a water. Dying.
Emptiness in the sky and a blank in your
Wrong line.
eye.
Nope. I'll show it to you.
Into your heart
This, huh?
beat till we are
You got the 29s.
alive.
Not to the left. Down the middle.
We'll tell them we're going.
Yeah.
Tell
You need some-
them it's all over
You need some get up and go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, where you are.
where we belong. Back to what we are.
Yeah, it's not.
And we'll tell them we're going. Tell them it's all over now.
Yeah.
Back to where we
Yeah, it is.
belong.
I just like all this in the
Back
dry,
to what
and I don't like it. I like it pre and refill. I was stoked for this trail, and now I'm not stoked. Huh? Stop! I can't hear you. BC Lotto. He's a doo-doo. I'm still not taking that hardcore line, Slade. You do that, Shani?
I got, but I'm gonna make the corner.
No, but you did this?
No, I took where you're going.
Oh yeah, it's hard.
So then, yeah, it put me over on the edge there.
Oh yeah. Little sketch, little sketch.
I think I took that other route last time
Oh yeah.
in the drive.
Yeah, is it jank or what? Huh?
Mine
Yeah, sure.
He's a good man today.
Slade will show you the lines, Shanton.
His 2 feet are moving
Yeah.
straight.
Boom, boom, boom.
Same, but it's not my stuff.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Knows the cracks on his way down to
Slade.
hell. He's never looking back.
Bless your heart. Bless your heart.
He's a bad man today. Like a blind man, he's running away. Taking dirt from the sand. Using his fist and breaking his hand.
Huh? Oh yeah. I showed him how to do it. Were you kidding me? Oh, I'm not doing that. You do it, Slade.
There's no need to prove it in dangerous conditions.
Oh, okay. Sean, is this freaking recording right now? Thank you.
Yeah,
That's good wisdom.
it is. If you've done it once, there's no need to do it again in dangerous conditions. Because you,
Oh, yeah.
you can do it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah, there's no shame in walking
No.
this section. Because we're like, well, we know we can ride it,
Yeah.
but we're just being responsible dads.
Yes.
Yeah.
This next part is quite slick too, though.
Little less worried. He's a good husband. Sending the hay
Oh, I sent it. I sent like Sean. This is Send City for me, bro.
came to it.
Like we're hardcore. Why do you think I wanted to do this again? Because it's so fun. Yep. I do not feel ashamed. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, it's not, but it's getting dark, eh? How's that top line? Hunka, skinny. Ooh. Woo! What?
Because he always knew wrong.
Oh yeah. 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 That is. There. That is
This is how it's done.
extremely serious.
I remember watching Ryan Dirt come down
Slades.
and he just walked it like a cat. And he did it so gracefully. Like, only it's like
He won't
second right
pass
on that
his own grave, 'cause that son of a bad man never
Hold on.
came my way.
How are you doing? Oh. For that dude or what? Okay.
I was getting checked in on for the shot. See if I'm showing it up tomorrow.
Oh. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, like I'm getting tossed around here. Sean Tony. Yeah. And I don't normally. Oh yeah. I don't normally get tossed.
darky with her. We met at night and I couldn't see. We talked online till we were clear. She wanted to talk, I wanted to clean.
With what? Oh, I know.
Hopped in the car and
I know.
drove to her
You're insane.
place. Arrived at the door, cool summer night. She unlocked the door for him to come on in. 2 in the morning, I walked inside. 2 in the morning, I walked inside. Will you ever be too shy? Will it ever be tonight? Please forgive my clumsy heart. Didn't mean to make you start.
What? Yeah, that was you. You're not. Yeah. And it takes you to some weird action.
Left the house down the back stairs.
So when are we turning on lights again?
Out the door and over the gate. Ran to his car, lit a joint to share. Drove to the mountain to ponder his fate. She called him back before I had to go. Had to leave, I had to think. Was she my girl or someone to know? Would she marry me? Would she marry me? Will you ever be too shy? Will it ever be tonight? Please forgive my clumsy heart. Didn't mean to make you start. Will you ever? Will you ever? Will you ever be too? Will you ever? Will you ever be too shy?
Which way did you go?
I walked it. Oh, left all the time. Yeah, I walked it. It just out of my mind. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. I've done a bolt left a lot better. Yeah. It's crazy.
Will you ever be too shy? Will it ever be tonight? Please forgive my clumsy heart. Didn't mean to make you start.
You good?
Will you ever?
Push it. Just 2 seconds.
Will you ever? Will you ever be too? Will you ever? Will you ever be too shy?
This next corner down is really slick. Just as an FYI, Slade. This is very slick up here. Just as an FYI.
Oh.
That'll do.
Okay.
That was my line, Slades.
That's not your line.
I normally take Shantoni's.
I normally take shots too, and that's where you get crest.
Yeah.
I never even saw your line there. That'd be too tight.
Yeah. Did you? Okay, you've redeemed yourself, Shanton. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? No. The magic trail. You have.
Your lips through the mirror at night. Touch each other like a peach resting kite. I almost cried when you left. You left me there.
After you be a hawk.
Oh, I could say goodbye. Deaf to my love and my.
I'm just not in love with the grease, Sean. It is wet. Sean, I'm allowed to complain.
Crash down, fall hard. No one around, no damage taken, babe.
Huh?
Break without a sound.
I'm allowed to complain.
And my kiss had your
It's my prerogative.
lips. That you miss out. Oh, I would touch your hips to my head right now.
Just wait for Slade.
It's not dark, babe, when I see black. Oh, I feel great when I'm seeing stars. Little bit of left,
He's chill. He's chilled right now.
you'll be alright.
He's chill. Oh, yeah.
It's not dark, baby, I'm
Yeah.
just.
So what are we doing out? Are we hitting that nowhere rear? Or?
With a black light.
No, that's the shorter. Well, it's longer, yeah, but it takes you right to the road.
Take away. Don't give it back now. Steal away my
Yeah.
love. Steal it all the way down. You ask me why I love the darkness at night. I don't love the dark, babe.
Well,
I just can't stand the light.
Whatever. It is so growing here.
It's not dark,
That rain does amazing things
when I see
for the plant life, eh?
oh, I feel
Like for the garden.
when I'm feeling sad.
Yeah. Well,
Little bit of left,
and you see it here.
you'll be alright.
Yeah.
It's not dark, baby, I'm just with a like a light.
No. Because it's too slick. Slick.
Like a light. With a like a
Again.
light.
We're hardcore.
With a like a light.
Break underneath.
This is a hardcore. It's crazy that Sal does this stuff.
I've never done that.
Yeah. Sal does.
Yeah.
Wayne's done it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't done that one yet.
Okay, so Shantoni. Holy crap. Yeah. I'm not, okay, well. You did the same?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's real.
Yeah. Dude, I'm fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Really?
just pushing it, and the tire went out.
Really?
Glad I didn't ride it.
I mean, I've had worse rides. That's just positive.
Sure, this is a good ride.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like in the downpour. But I think it's a little perplexing in that if it was downpour, we wouldn't ride this. Because, well, it's not ideal. Holy crap. So that's the road right there. Hey, Sean?
Yeah, we'll do this.
Okay. There's another little clearing right up here, which is not a bad idea, Shawnee. Right here. Because everything after this, Sean, gets real. Works, Sean Tony. That's the way trauma works, Sean Tony.
What trauma?
Watching the dude almost break his damn neck.
That was him.
Yeah, it's called trauma, Gimp. Sean, you need to look up the word empathy, guy. A guy like me feels a heck of a lot more than things like you do, guy. That's just the way life is.
Maybe, yeah.
I just know that about myself, Sean Tony. Huh? Yeah. Oh, I don't complain about it. Hey, look at that. Johnny. Hilarious.
What's that?
They made a go around.
For what?
This feature.
Just now?
You know, you can't see it?
That wasn't ready for?
No. I'm going to take it because it looks cool. That's hilarious.
Yeah. That's a good ride around because that is a hard.
Oh, that's one of the most epic descents.
Yeah, like we had.
You cleaned it well.
Yeah, Evan and Eric, I had them walk it.
Oh yeah.
Noah did.
I
Rode it.
I know he rode it. Yeah. I actually watched that. There's no way Eric rode this trail. There's no way. I think that was just Evan, Noah, and Cassidy.
Now,
Yeah.
this is the part I'll walk.
Oh, okay. That looks rideable.
Actually, it does. This part looks.
It's the log that I'm not a big fan of, Sean Tony.
Get lights on a little bit brighter. Oh yeah, this is fine.
Bit fast. Bit fast. Hey? Nope. Wow. Slades, this is real. It's even more real. Wow. I think you did, bud. Huh? Yeah, up there? Yeah, you rode it fine.
Yeah.
But I'm like, oh, it's a bit fast.
Yeah, and it felt good through there, but then I forgot the corner
Yeah.
was so sharp.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, this trail's running well, I'll be honest.
now this, I remember, actually now I remember this part.
Yeah.
This was hard with Cassidy and Evan.
Oh, we all walked it, bud.
Yeah.
I rode it last time. It's just such a crash if you went down. You know?
Yeah.
You're
I'm
good.
trying to get my feet in.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not working next Monday,
Yeah.
so we could do another start
Phew.
and do a redo on this. Your rear tires are there, hang on there.
Thank you. Wow. Wow.
Oh, they built that up too.
Which? What? What?
That jump.
Let's jump.
That's way bigger.
Yeah, get down there. It's not that
Way
bad.
bigger.
It's not that bad. Oh, I'm proud of you, Sean Tony. You've got...
That's fresh dirt. It looks bigger from down there, but it's just the angle of the dirt.
It sure did. It sure did, Sean.
Went to hit my leg.
What happened?
Went to hit my leg and caught it on the pedal.
Ouch. So we got the normal exit up here, or you got the Noah rear up here.
The Noah rear has some really crazy rock stuff.
Yeah.
It might be
Yeah. Yeah, and the wood. All right.
this is more regular trail.
True. What in the world? Slate? Huh? Where does that trail what? That's that crazy part.
One in the drive, it's really good.
Yeah, we just did that with Slade's not too long ago, but
Oh, he just didn't remember it.
Yeah, yeah.
So he has done it.
oh yeah. Slade,
Did you do that last time?
that's what we did with Harry that other day.
Yeah, I thought we did that last time.
Yeah.
I just wasn't sure.
Yeah. But Sean Tony's just saying gnar in the water. Left. Yeah, left, yeah. Yeah. Oh. I know.
I've never done that.
I've never done this, Shawnee.
How do you normally go to World Cup from there, don't we?
Yeah, we go right there, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was almost fun. I didn't mind that.
Are you talking the trail or the road?
The road.
Oh, funny. Yeah.
This is where we park?
No. This is where we park, yeah.
That one time?
Yeah.
That's neat riding over that Chundry section back there.
Yeah.
And not feeling a single bump.
Really?
Yeah, like the suspension
Dialed.
just felt so good.
Funny.
That I hardly felt a bump
Sure.
going through that whole rocky, crazy section.
That's
That was
awesome.
neat.
That's awesome. thick. Well, still kind of fun.
So much inertia to it.
Huh?
Like I have to pedal to keep up the Slade's bike and he's not pedaling.
I know, the bigger
His bike
tires.
just has too much inertia.
Yeah.
Or the fatness.
Yeah, true, fatness. Big roller, big roller. No, there. I didn't see a car.
But I wonder if he's in the upper portion.
Well,
He wouldn't be. He'd be waiting down at the gate.
yeah, truth. He made it. Oh, stones in the frickin' face.
Those brakes are gonna be hot.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, yeah. Just had.
I'm glad that he got through.
Yeah, bud.
That's good. How far was